Yes, Raju.
Yeah, Jay, yeah.
Yes. So do you
So
have a system, Raju, that you have access for
I
that?
have system. Okay, give me the rights to share my screen.
Okay, I'll share with you.
Okay, cool. That is cool. I hope Tanshi and you can see my screen, right?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Yeah, hi Tansi. My name is Raju. So I am the ABAP trainer here, and I have nearly 15 years of experience in SAP ABAP programming as a technical consultant. I work for big companies in various SAP projects. So that is very brief about me. So can you tell me very brief, okay, about you, Tansi, and are you have working or it's something already know SAP, and what is the expectations from this course? So that way.
Okay, yeah, I'm a SAP SD consultant. I'm currently at AB in Bev. I'm not sure if you know AB in Bev. So I'm the SAP SD functional consultant there.
Okay, so how many years of experience?
I have about 7 years of experience.
Okay, that's great. So then
Yes.
now why you want to learn ABAP now itself?
Okay. Okay, I want to be competitive on the market. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, so my goal is to be a techno-functional consultant, not just a functional. Just want to be a techno-functional.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. So you are showing interest to learn and web. So that's a good skill. You are upskilling yourself. So you are be in the competitive, okay, in the market.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So now this is okay. Let me start. Okay, the course content. You can see my right. So this
Yes, I
is a
can.
course content or syllabus what we are going to deliver as part of this training. Okay, and
Yes.
see now first we are going to start with SAP GUI introduction. I think for you, you are already 7 years of experience. You know how to log in, log off. Okay, this everything
Yes.
you know, right? So this is very basics. Okay, so suppose somebody don't know SAP. Okay, they are coming. Then we'll give them SAP GUI introductions. Okay, everything. What is starting? How to log in, log off. Okay, what is the various screens? How to open Windows. Okay, sessions. Something. We'll give it. Okay. Now
Okay.
that is the first thing. Next, this is one. Okay. Second topic is about ABAP programming development environment and the tools. Like if you see any programming language, okay, there
Yes.
must be some development environment where the developers can work, okay, to develop the
Yes.
programs, to test the programs, to execute the programs. So here in and also they are equipped with some tools, okay. But in here in ABAP or SAP world, we have the SAP ABAP workbench, okay, which is the development environment, and it has a lot of tools like suppose you want to create a program in SAP systems, okay, you need ABAP editor. The transaction code is SA38. So we will give
Yes.
all the introductions, okay. System architecture, we will cover it. What is system landscape, okay. We'll talk about network application server architecture, okay, how these are used or clubbed, okay. Then we'll
Yes.
give some various tools and what is development package and development objects and transport organizer we'll talk about here, okay. So after
Okay.
this, okay, we'll jump into the ABAP dictionary. Okay. So this is the
Yes.
where you are going to create the table. Suppose ultimately the business has to store their data permanently in some place, right? That place is called database. Within the database, they have to store in the tables, right? So
Yes.
now in SAP, we don't have access. The developer does not have access to the databases directly. So then how they are going to create a tables? Suppose custom
Okay.
tables, okay. So they are utilizing this tool, okay, ABAP dictionary. So which is a tool for creating tables, and as well as you can see the data, okay, you can alter the table, everything. So here we'll start with the data model concept, okay, how this is. Then we will cover, okay, various ABAP dictionary objects like domains. then data elements, okay, tables, views, structures, table types, okay, search and lock objects. So all these are part of the S11, okay. I think you already see the screen, okay. So where you can see it.
Yes.
So now
Yes.
how this is structured, okay, this is important here. So suppose let us take, we have a tables, okay. So we'll have explain about the concept of table and use case. Then we'll explore, okay, the standard tables which are already there. Then I will give you a demo on that one. Then I will share the exercise document for your practice. So whatever
Okay.
concept we are covering here, okay, we'll follow the same pattern for each and every.
Okay.
So next we are going to cover, next we'll jump into the programming basics, okay. This is your foundation for the ABAP programming. So here we'll cover what are the tool for creating programs, okay, what is data types, what is data types, okay, what is the various ABAP keywords, okay, which are used to write the programs, okay. So this
Yes.
if you see here, types, data types, everything we will learn as a individual statements, okay. Now so we'll learn about use, what is the syntax, what is the example, we'll see, we'll have a demo and exercises. So this is something called a foundation to your ABAP programming. So based upon this
Yes.
foundation, you will build large reports, okay, like that.
Yes.
So that for that, this chapter will cover all the foundation. So everything we have covered. See here, every topic, okay, we are maximum, okay, we maximum keywords we are covered, okay, as part of the programming. So then you see
Yes.
messages, okay. So a lot of times, okay, you will see, suppose you are processing a sales order, right? So if you enter a sales
Yes.
order wrong, invalid, okay, or incorrect sales order, then system should give a message. So and so sales order, sales organization is invalid or does not exist, okay. So how that message
Yes.
is coming? So we have to write write some code to issue that messages. Okay, here we'll cover this one, how to define the messages, how to use the messages in a programs. Everything we'll cover here as part of this topic.
Okay.
So next is something, okay, text symbols. Okay, if you see here, suppose you are executing one report. Okay, so you will see a selection
Yes.
field. You will give the inputs, right? So there is a
Yes.
field coming, that is field label. So here using this field symbol, text symbols will give the field names. Okay, as well as sometimes you may need to issue some text inside the program. Okay, so that
Yes.
we will cover here. Next is ABAP programs and events. So while writing your ABAP programs, okay, suppose if it is a report program, you have different set of events. If it is a dialog program, that means modular program, you have different set of events. So what are the events, okay? How these are used, which code you can write in particular event, we'll cover as part of this one. Next, we'll
Okay.
talk about the ABAP programs and selection screen. See, lot of times you will see lot of reports, okay, programs or executable type programs will have the selection screen, okay,
Yes.
where you will provide the inputs to the program, okay. Then program takes
Yes.
your inputs through the selection screen, it will process it, finally it will give a result. Now, for designing this selection screen, okay, you need to
Yes.
develop or you need to write some ABAP or you need to use some ABAP statements, okay, select options, okay, parameters, something. So here we'll cover what are the things, okay, how you can design the selection screen, and I will give you demo as well as exercises here. So
Okay.
next part is DB queries, okay. Now,
Yes.
see, every program, ultimately, you have to get the data from the database, okay? Or suppose you are creating a sales order, okay? What it will have, when you click the sales order save button, it has to save the data into the sales order header and item tables.
Yes.
So whenever you need it, so you will input the order number, that order will go to the database, then it will pick it, it will show you, right? So all
Yes.
this, every program must be integrated into the database. How the ABAP
Okay.
programs are integrated or working or with the database interaction, okay? We'll cover here, okay, open SQL statement, okay, difference between SQL and native SQL. What is the select statement, modify, insert, we'll cover it. So for you also
Okay.
here, you can see some SDMM model, stable relationship. Like if you know the invoice, okay, billing document number, how do you find the sales order, okay? So that
Yes.
type, how the tables, okay, relationship, I will show you.
Okay.
Next is subroutines. Okay, so inside a program, okay, you can use subroutines to modularize the program. Okay, so like you will suppose some code is repeated. Okay, inside your program. Okay, main program, you will put the code into the subroutine. You will call. Okay, wherever you need it. So you just think it is a block of code which you are putting someplace. Again, whenever required, you are calling inside the program. That's it. Okay, we'll talk about everything. And there's function models. Okay, this is again very important concept. See, now this function model will provide you some functionality, like you need some create sales order. Okay, this create sales order functionality used in the SAP system by n number of programs. Okay, 10 programs, 10 30 programs. So that is the same function, right? So create sales order. So what you will do, you will create one sales order, say one function model. You will give sales order create function model. Okay, wherever sales order creation is needed, that function model is used. So how this function model used, how to create them, okay, how to use them in the program, everything will be covered as part of this one. Next, here classes and interfaces. If you see here, this is called object oriented programming. Now SAP is moving mostly to the object oriented programming, where you will define the classes and interface. Now that means here we have to introduce class, okay, interface, and what is a class builder, how to create a class and how to use them. So nowadays, okay, if you take subroutines are becoming obsolete. That means you cannot use the subroutines to modularize the program. So mostly you will create a class, okay, and the method you will create instead of subroutine, you will use the method in your programs. Okay, so that purpose, okay, what is the various, okay, this thing, what is required for our training. So if you take this one, this is a vast concept again, but we have to cover maximum, okay, basic plus what is required as part of this technique. I will cover it here.
Okay.
Then include programs. This is again modularization technique. So we'll see logical group code will put into a one program, and that program will use in the main program. So this will cover. If these programs mainly are part of standard dialog programs, you can see that. Next, you can see here. So ABAP debugger, okay, you will see a lot of times, okay, this is the main heart of the tool, okay, for as a developer, as a functional consultant. If you know it, then you will become expert, because this is the troubleshooting or analysis, okay, the debugger. Okay. So that is the main tool. Next, sometimes you will see a short dump, right? Like whenever you are running a program, there is a short dump, okay, the program cannot be executed, short dump screen will come, that red screen something, okay. So when that is coming, how to analyze this one, we'll introduce to these tools, okay. So now this debugger, okay, I will introduce you before, okay, before like in the topic 4, okay, programming concepts we are starting, right? There itself I will introduce, okay, will not wait for here, okay. But next up to chapter 14, okay, we have the foundation is ready, okay, your foundation is ready. Now on top of this, okay, if you are working in projects, okay, like SAP implementation something projects, as a ABAP developer, you know, right, you will have to have rise up developments. Suppose where you will prepare FS document, that will be given to the development team. They will prepare technical specification, based upon that they will write the programs, right? So that rise up may be FS may be related to reports or interfaces or conversions and enhancement or forms, whatever may be. Based upon that, you have to work it. Now, as part of reports, okay, we have to use the concept of ALV to develop the report programming, okay. That we will cover here, okay. ALV using function models as well as classes. I will show you here how the function model, okay, what is ALV, what are the different types of ALVs, okay, what are the mechanism, okay, behind the ALV output. Then module pool programming, that means screen programming, like VA01, VA02, okay, VL01 and VF03. These are everything is module pool programs, right? Which is combination of screens, okay. So how we can design the module, that type of screens, okay, we will cover as part of the module pool programming. Or screen designing. Next, interfaces. Now, interfaces are used to exchange the business data between your SAP system and other SAPs, right? So here, basically, we are covering two types of interfaces, file interfaces and daily IDOC interfaces, okay? So both inbound as well as outbound, we are going to cover as part of this interface. Next, conversions. See, now if you are writing, okay, going with a greenfield implementation, you need to load some master data, okay, before your go live, right? So the
Yes.
for loading the data into SAP, what is the techniques are available? Like we have call transaction and session methods. So using that, you can load the data into SAP systems, okay? So here we'll cover
Yes.
those two methods and two examples I will give for each of the method.
Okay.
Then enhancement. So you will hear this enhancement is something, okay? Suppose while processing your sales order, okay, you want to add some additional customer logic, okay, like customer checks, okay? So and so
Yes.
customer, if suppose order value is exceeded, okay, you want to give
Yes.
something, some error message, some information, something, okay? So for that
Yes.
purpose, okay, you have to use the enhancements. Means in the standard code, you are going to add your custom code, okay?
Yes.
So this is the enhancement concept at a very high level. So for that, what is the things? Okay, what are the techniques are available for adding this code into the standard code? Okay, like we have user exits. Okay, mainly you will see in SD module. Then customer
Yes.
exit. Okay, bad is screen exits. Okay, then you see new bad is. Okay, now this
Yes.
enhancement spots and points are also available. Okay, we'll cover comprehensively all these topics with a topic, with a exam demo, and with a exercise for you. Okay, we'll cover here.
Yes. Okay.
Next tricep is a forms development. See, we have in SAP to share. Okay, suppose you want to send a print document to the customers. Okay, invoice documents. Okay, you have to print the invoice. You have to send it. Okay, so the
Yes.
printing, whatever communication you are doing with your vendors or customers with the printouts, okay, is covered part of the forms. Okay, what are the techniques
Yes.
available under the forms? Is like you have SAP scripts, smart forms, Adobe forms. Okay, we have different. So nowadays scripts are rarely used, and smart forms also used, but mostly clients are using Adobe forms. But we are not covering the Adobe forms here. Okay, so we are
Okay.
comprehensive
Yes.
covering smart forms only.
Okay.
So just I will give a overview of scripts, okay? So, but smart forms,
Yes.
we'll create a smart form, okay? How to integrate your smart form, okay? Those things I will show. See, if you
Okay.
see this thing, okay, message control technique, if you know in SD, okay, that which is attached
Yes.
to the output types, right? So whenever a
Yes.
particular output type is there, the form will be printed, right? That purpose we'll use it. So I will show you
Okay.
that thing.
All right.
Is something, okay, some other topics, what are the variants of a program, how the background execution of the web programs will give it. Then if you want some topic, okay, which is not listed here, we'll insert it and we'll deliver to you. So this is the
Okay.
overall syllabus and how we'll take the approach, okay? So we'll go for topic by topic only, okay? And
Okay.
so generally it will take, okay, like 60 to 70 hours of this course, okay?
Okay.
So if you take daily 1 hour, it will take 3 months, okay, like that.
Take like 3 months.
Yeah. So
Okay.
that is the thing. So because daily, if you take daily 2 hours something, okay, we'll finish it early. Okay, that is the other scenario. But the overall course duration is 60 to 70 hours.
Okay. No, that's fine. That's fine. So are you also going to help me with the certification? Okay. So after taking this course, you also need to do a HANA. Okay.
Yeah. So now see, this is the foundation. Okay, so lot of clients are
Yes.
still using. So but if you want to learn HANA, this makes you a very comfortable position. Okay, before learning HANA, that I'm sure. If you directly jump into HANA, suppose if you don't know the interface, okay, some syntaxes, okay, like a DB queries, which is these things, okay, that is a difficult situation. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is the thing. So now from my end, okay, so as a trainer, what I will do, so I will share the course content, okay, I will share the exercises, okay.
Okay.
So then this every session will be recorded, and that recording will be shared by this admin team, and they will share the recording. Yeah, they will schedule a meeting, and they will provide you the system access also.
Okay. So the system access is for how long?
Sorry.
the system access is for how long?
How long? Generally, it would be 3 to 4 months.
3 to 4 months.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, cause the thing is, I won't be available from, I think, December, for the whole month of December. I don't think I'll be available. Maybe I'll be available the first week. Yeah.
Okay, so that will extend 1 month like that. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay.
Okay.
So maximum 5 months. Okay, we'll check with. Okay, I will ask them to extend for 1 month. Okay, that's not a problem.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. So I'll talk to, I can't remember. I don't know his name.
Jahir.
The other guy. Yeah, the other guy on the call.
1 second. Jahir, are you there?
I'm sure he's fast asleep. I think it's around 10 p.m. that side. 10, 11, I don't know.
Yeah, Jahir, are you there? Hello. I think this guy is, he's not
Hello.
there.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. Tanshi has to talk to you. Okay, just add it.
Yeah, no, it's fine. It's fine. I'll talk to you. I'll also talk to the other guy, and then I'll give you an update tomorrow.
So that's when you're planning to enroll.
I'll let you know tomorrow. But yeah, I'm happy with the. I'm happy with the demo.
Okay.
So I'll definitely let you know tomorrow morning.
Okay. So is it the
Yes.
time is convenient for you if you enroll in future? So is the time is convenient for you?
I think 7 p.m. 7 p.m. should be fine for me.
9 p.m. that will be fine. Okay, for
Yeah,
weekdays.
7 p.m. is a time.
Okay. Raju, are you available in weekdays as well? At the same time?
Weekends, right?
Weekdays? Is it possible?
Weekdays is difficult now. Okay, till another month.
10 o'clock.
But
At 10 o'clock, 10:30 something.
the weekends is too busy. Weekdays is too busy. So we'll start with the weekends. Okay, then after 1 month I will be free during weekdays also. I will take it.
Okay.
Because there was one more batch is going. So that's what time class is coming. Okay.
Yeah, so I think if we were to do weekends, we can do maybe 2 hours.
Yeah. Weekends will see. If you are taking weekends, it's not 1 hour. Okay, it's 2 hours, 3 hours like that. We'll take it in weekends.
Okay.
Yes, the total it will be goes around 5 hours. Okay, 5 hours to 6 hours per weekend. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So not a problem. I think we will going to cover all this thing. Okay. So you can just check with your friend as well. So we're going to start.
Okay.
We will start immediately. Okay.
Okay, it's fine. I'll talk to him and then I'll let you know tomorrow.
Do you have any questions about anything regarding course content, something else?
So are you also going to provide us with the study material in the?
Yes. So I think Raju that will going to provide the study materials. Okay, whatever he available, and we'll provide the recorded. Okay, whatever that we will teach that every day, we'll get the same recording, as well as server access for 3 to 4 months. Okay.
So it can be 6 months.
How long, Raju?
So generally for 3 to 4, but he was asking for 1 month extension. So yeah, we'll do it.
Yeah, because I won't be, because I won't be
it.
available in December.
4 to 5 months, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So Dinesh, you can just check with your friend as well. So we'll take him, then we'll start it. Okay, as soon as possible.
Okay, that's fine. No problem. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you for joining. Okay. Bye.
Okay. Bye.